Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Mariam and I will be your teacher for class Bahasa Melayu today. Now we will learn Bahasa Melayu with the hobby topics. Before I start the topic, let me explain what a hobby means. Hobi saya. My hobby. The meaning of hobby. Hobby is an activity that a person does in their free time for enjoyment, interest or personal satisfaction, not because of work or obligation. Hobi merupakan aktiviti yang dilakukan pada waktu lapang. Aktiviti yang anda suka lakukan pada waktu lapang. Apa itu hobi? Hobi, aktiviti masa lapang. Free time activity. Hobi is fun. Hobi seronok. Example for hobi. Contoh hobi. Membaca. Reading. Menyanyi. Singing. Menari. Dancing. My hobby is reading. Hobi saya membaca. My hobby is singing. Hobi saya menyanyi. Menari. Dancing. Hobi saya menari. My hobby is dancing. Next. More example for hobbies. Bermain. Playing. My hobby is playing football. Hobi saya adalah bermain bola sepak. Melukis. Drawing. My hobby is drawing. Hobi saya melukis. Menjahit. Sewing. My hobby is sewing. Hobi saya menjahit. Next. Example. Hobi. Berdandan. Berdandan. Doing a makeup. My hobby is doing a makeup. Hobi saya berdandan. Berlari. Running. My hobby is running. Hobi saya berlari. Makan. Eating. My hobby is eating. I like to eating. Hobi saya makan. Saya suka makan. Next. And now, I want you to answer the following quiz section as shown on the screen. First, make an example sentences about a hobby that you like. Buat contoh ayat hobi seperti di paparan skrin. Untuk kuis yang pertama, sila jawab, saya suka. What your hobby? I like to. What hobby you like to do it? For the first quiz. Second quiz, make an example sentences about a hobby that you do not like. Buat contoh ayat hobi yang anda tidak suka. Saya tidak suka apa? I don't like to. What hobby you don't like to do it? And the last, for the third quiz, Make a question sentences to your friend about their hobby. Tanya kawan anda tentang apa hobi mereka. What is your hobby? Ask your friend what their hobbies. Please provide your all answer in the comment section. Congratulations and thank you for taking part in today's Malay language class. Terima kasih dan tahniah kerana join kelas Bahasa Melayu pada hari ini. InsyaAllah, kita akan berjumpa lagi pada sesi yang akan datang. InsyaAllah, we will meet again in the next section. Thank you.